Upgrading your Mercedes Benz GLC W253 from 2016 to 2019 can completely transform both its appearance and functionality, and one of the most impactful ways to do that is with advanced LED front lamps. Modern headlights are no longer just functional components, they have become a critical part of a vehicle's identity, shaping how it looks and performs. The LED headlight projector lens with turn signal combines high-quality engineering with modern design to bring a significant upgrade to the GLC's front end. The first thing that stands out is the build quality. The headlight assembly is made from premium materials designed to resist heat, moisture, and environmental wear. The lens is crystal clear, ensuring maximum light projection without distortion. Every component has been carefully engineered to provide long-lasting durability and maintain a polished, modern look over time. The housing is sealed to protect against water and dust, keeping the performance consistent in all conditions. Performance is where these LED projector headlights really shine. They utilize state-of-the-art LED technology paired with projector lenses, delivering bright, even light across the road. The beam is well-defined, ensuring excellent visibility without creating glare for oncoming traffic. Compared to traditional halogen or older HID setups, this LED system provides superior clarity, energy efficiency, and a longer lifespan. The daytime running lights are a standout feature. The integrated DRL strip follows the natural curves of the GLC's front fascia, producing a continuous, eye-catching glow that modernizes the vehicle's look. It's subtle but futuristic, making the SUV instantly recognizable during the day. The sequential turn signals elevate this design even further. When activated, the lights flow in a smooth directional motion, clearly indicating the intended turn while adding a dynamic, high-tech aesthetic. Thermal management is an important aspect of any LED system, and this headlight assembly addresses it efficiently. The built-in heat sinks ensure that the LEDs operate at an optimal temperature, preventing overheating and maintaining consistent brightness. This allows the lights to perform reliably over extended periods without sacrificing efficiency. Installation is designed to be as simple as possible. This LED headlamp kit is compatible with Mercedes Benz GLC W253 models from 2016 to 2019, with a plug-and-play system that does not require cutting wires or modifying the vehicle's electronics. Factory functions like automatic headlights and turn signals remain fully operational, making the upgrade straightforward and safe. Aesthetic transformation is immediately noticeable. Once installed, the GLC's front end looks sharper and more modern. The crisp white DRLs combined with the projector lens create a high-end appearance that significantly enhances the SUV's presence on the road. At night, the difference is even more pronounced. The bright, clean projection illuminates the road effectively while the sequential amber turn signals provide a fluid, sophisticated visual effect. Functionality and safety are equally improved. The projector lens ensures a precise cutoff line, eliminating dark spots and scattered beams. This enhances road visibility, allowing drivers to see lane markings, obstacles, and pedestrians more clearly. The color temperature is optimized for bright, natural white light, reducing eye strain during nighttime driving. Additionally, the LED system draws less power than traditional lighting setups, making it more efficient and reducing the strain on the vehicle's electrical system. Durability and longevity are key benefits. These LEDs are rated to last tens of thousands of hours, and the housing is designed to withstand UV exposure without yellowing or degrading. This ensures that the headlight maintains its brightness and aesthetic appeal over years of use, providing a reliable and cost-effective upgrade. The internal design details are carefully considered, with chrome accents, black trims, and sculpted housing components that enhance the visual depth of the headlights. This meticulous attention to detail makes the upgrade feel seamless and factory-like, integrating naturally into the GLC's overall design. Safety is another important aspect. LEDs respond faster than halogen or HID bulbs, meaning that turn signals and brake